Richard Southern joins us now for our daily business chat. Hi, Richard. Good to see you.
Good to see you, too.
So COVID-19 is having lots of impact. We heard about the impact at the box office and also now the impact on the housing market. Bank of Canada making a big move in response to the coronavirus.
Yeah, the Bank of Canada cutting interest rates today. Only a few weeks ago, this would not have happened. The Bank of Canada didn't want to cut interest rates, but with the economic effects of the coronavirus, that's what they did today. The benchmark rate down to 1.25% from 1.75%. And the bank says it's ready to cut it again if need be. It wasn't just the coronavirus. The bank may have also been responding to the economic hit created by the teacher walkouts here in Ontario and by the rail blockades. We're going to talk about the housing market impact in just a minute, but Janella, stocks had a huge day, not just on the back of this, but also on the back of Joe Biden doing well on the Super Tuesday contest in the States. He's viewed as more market-friendly than Bernie Sanders. The Dow, as you just saw there, up more than 1,100 points. Its second-best day ever. And the TSX up a strong 332. It was a big comeback Wednesday on the markets, Janelle.
Wow. So let's talk about the impact on the housing market here at home.
It's going to be good news if you got a mortgage, but it's also going to further heat up the already scorching hot Toronto housing market. Janella, we got the February numbers in today, and sales were up more than 45% on a year-over-year basis. The average selling price topping $900K, up $130,000 over February of 2019. Your average detached home well above $1.1 million now. Condos continue to go bananas. The average price $666K. But Janella, as far as mortgage rates are concerned, we've already seen the fixed rates fall because of the moves in the bond market. And now, with the Bank of Canada cutting interest rates, the variable rate mortgages will fall too, though it's going to depend on how much the banks want to cut their variable rates. We're going to find that out in the next day or two.
Okay, we'll keep an eye on that. And the coronavirus fears are fueling demand of a particular product. Can I guess? Is it hand sanitizer?
Ding, ding, ding. It's, yeah, absolutely.
I couldn't find it at the pharmacy the other week.
It's sold out. And, you know, Purell is kind of the big name in that industry. And Purell says, man, we've been trying to ramp up production as much as we can here. Everyone wants this germ-killing goo. The company says it's seen a significant increase in demand. They started ramping up production in January, but they really can't keep pace. And yet this, Janella, Purell has become so hard to find, as you say, that it's selling on Amazon now for some crazy prices. One third-party seller today charging $200 for 2 1-liter bottles of Purell, which would normally sell for just $22.
Wow.
But, you know,
time to buy some Purell stock, maybe?
Yeah, you know, load up. It's a private company. You can't buy stock,
okay.
But maybe you want to hoard it. Doctors, by the way, say washing your hands is much better, but still, people want the hand sanitizer.
Yeah, I had a cold 2 weeks ago. I went into the Rexall, and they're like, we're out. We're back ordered. Okay, let's quickly take a look at gas prices. What's happening at the pumps tonight?
No change for the price of gas tonight. We're going to lighten things up a little bit just after 6:30 when I return, Janella. There is a recipe that has divided everyone on the internet. Some love it, some are grossed out. We're going to show you the recipe just after 6:30.
Okay, can't wait, Richard. We'll see you next hour.
Thanks.